Welcome back to Ukknowledgeguru. In this video, we will learn how to report someone for benefit fraud. It's very easy. You can report by using online service or by phone. The phone number is 0800 854 440. You can also report by post. Mail handling site A WV982BP. That's the postcode. I'll put this in the description as well, so you can do that. But we will learn how to report someone using the laptop or your phone. My main reason of creating this video is to make sure that no one is committing this benefit fraud, because this money can be used towards your child benefits, towards your NHS, towards your medicines, and if anyone is stealing from the government. So that should be reported. So without wasting time, let's start. So for this, we will go on gov.uk, the only genuine website. In the search section, just write report benefit fraud. Click enter. You will land on this page where you will click report benefit fraud. Then you have all these options. Go down, click start now. Next option is you need to enter the details. The details are very simple and everything will remain anonymous. If I go back, I'll show you this clearly states over here. Give as much information as you can about the person you are reporting. This could include their name, address, the type of fraud you thinking they are committing. All reports are anonymous. You do not have to give your name or contact details. Only report someone once. For your own safety, you should not try to find out more or let anyone know you are making a report. Just go down, click start now on this page. Then you have the first question. The first question is very simple. The person you want to report. First name, optional. Last name, you need to give. Do you know them by another name? That's also an optional question. For example, they got a nickname. Then you will select this and you will provide the nickname. Next question, do you know their date of birth? That's also optional. Next one is address. If you know the address, enter the address. What is their NI number? If you know their NI number, enter that. What is their telephone number? What is their email address? And then click continue. The next question is about what type of fraud do you want to report? So you have these options. Number 1, working and claiming benefit. Number 2, living with a partner while claiming to be living alone. Number 3, dishonestly claiming a disability benefit. Number 4, about the carer benefit. Number 5, claiming benefit but not living in the UK. Number 6, using a fraudulent identity. Number 7, not declaring saving or other non-work related income. Next one is none of the above. So let's suppose if you are someone using someone's identity, okay? Or let's suppose claiming benefit but not living in the UK. Click continue. Next one, claiming benefit but not living in the UK. Which country are they living in? Do you know their abroad address? Do they own or rent property abroad? Are they living abroad permanently? Do you know if they are back in the UK? Do you know their UK address? Approximately how much time they have spent in a year? Provide the details if you have. So let's suppose I'll select no over here, no over here, and just click continue. After that, the next question is additional information. Give any other information about what do you think of this person. Don't include your personal details. You have 1500 characters requirement. You can increase the size of this like this and then click continue. Next one, review and send your report. Before you send a report, review what you have entered. So this is where they will provide you all the information which you have written, and then you just hit send report. And I think anyone you know who's claiming benefits but they are not entitled to, you must report them, because that money can be used towards you and your kids. If you have come to my channel first time, don't forget to subscribe. I have created loads of videos. All my content is from gov.uk. I'm not a solicitor, not a consultant. I'm just sharing my journey, sharing what gov.uk says. You can put any question in the comment section and I'll get back to you.